In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to crop an image in Photoshop. So let's jump right in. First, open up the image that you want to crop. On the toolbar on the left, click the crop tool or simply press the hotkey C on your keyboard. The crop tool lets you remove unwanted areas from your image and improve its overall composition. Once the crop tool is active, you'll see crop handles appear around your image. Click and drag any of those inwards to remove the parts you don't want. If you need to reposition the crop, simply click and drag inside the crop area until you're happy with the framing. Notice that Photoshop darkens the areas outside the crop box. Those are the parts that will be removed when we apply the crop. Once you're satisfied with your selection, press enter on your keyboard or the check mark at the top of the screen, and Photoshop will apply the crop, leaving you only with the area you selected. If you change your mind before confirming the crop, just press escape on your keyboard and it will cancel the crop and return your image to its original state. And that's all there is to it. Cropping an image in Photoshop only takes a few clicks using the crop tool or the C shortcut on your keyboard. If this quick tutorial helped you out, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more easy Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching.